If you're time short at lunchtime, I have two cooking tips for you here. You can speed up the cooking time of meat, fish, and chicken by marinating them, tenderizing them. So at 9 o'clock in the morning, I chopped up a large breast of chicken between two of us in the likes of lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. Put them in a bowl, cover them, put them in the fridge, come down at lunchtime, and they cook off really quickly. Then you can produce something like the keto slaw. So that's where I'd use slightly less beetroot and carrot because it's a keto week. On a non-keto week, you can add the likes of apple to it. But I'd make a large bulk of this to last me for sort of 3 days. And if you have a blender, it really is prepared in a flash. Leave the cabbage a little bit chunkier, we'll say, than the other vegetables, and then put in lemon juice to protect it, and it'll last for 3 days in the fridge. Don't dress it. And when you don't cook it, there's no loss of nutrients. Now, to make the sauce, get a glass jar and then just add whatever ingredients you like. For this particular one, the Bombay slaw, I use the Indian spices, the cumin, the ground coriander and the turmeric. I sweeten it with the likes of chicory syrup, and I'll always dry fry some seeds and add them in with the mixture as well. You need proper tablespoon and teaspoon measures. So that's a tablespoon measure, and then it simply is a case of measuring out the ingredients, adding them to the glass jar and shaking it. And you can keep that in the fridge and cover a serving when you're serving it up. Make sure when you taste it that it's really strongly tasting, because it tastes less strong when you add it to the coleslaw. Chicory syrup, look at that, 14 gram carb per 100 gram versus honey, 76 per 100. Now you can use that then quite versatile. You can serve prawns on it, you can melt cheese into it, you can put the likes of a breast of chicken on it. Or if you're in a hurry, keto roll with ham, slaw on the side. Very versatile.